When booked in for service or repair, drive to the workshop entry location, park your van into the designated drop-off zone and pull over to the left. Leave enough space on your right for traffic to flow. When a van is already parked there, kindly park behind the previous one. The customer service receptionist will greet you and go over the service work order. While you don't have to empty everything out of your van, it is advisable to remove items in the areas we will be working. Main power and gas might be turned off. Therefore, please take any perishable items out of your fridge. Please note that any additional items need to be notified 2 weeks prior to drop-off day. For safety reasons, please do not unhook your van on the street and wear closed shoes when entering our premises. On the time of pickup, our service representative will go over what work has been carried out. When all good and accepted, payment can be made. We accept cash, credit card, EFTPOS and BPay. Keys are handed over, you can hook up your van and you are on your way to your next adventure.